With Stoneapp's parts tracking module, you can not only see where the project is and how it's progressing through your production shop, but also where each individual part is, like which machine or which resource is currently working on that part, as well as when it's due to be completed. Under Stoneapp's project management module, parts tracking can now be added, which will give you visibility into where each part is in production, as well as its due date. In this example, we've selected the All tab at the top, and it's showing a list of all the projects that have an installation date as of 12/7 or before. Scheduled parts are showing in gray on the right side, as well as their due date. Completed parts are showing in green, and in progress parts are showing in orange. Please also note that you have visibility of how much square feet is on each part, as well as the edge type. You can also select your workstations. In this case, we're going to look at saw. And by selecting that, it's going to show you a list of all the projects that need to have that cutting activity mark complete. And in this case, it does show the completed status. So it shows you even if everything's marked complete so that you know that for sure. You can also select to look into the future as well. And you can sort by the install date or the due date of this activity. These activities can be maintained using a tablet on the shop floor, but you can also maintain those at say, a management level or a production desk, where you could select the project, you know it's starting now, select all the parts, and then select start. And then that logs the time that those projects or those parts are being started. And then when you're finished with them, you can hit complete. As the project is released to the shop floor, barcodes can be generated, and they could be generated as labels or as a paper where they're just simply attached to the shop sheet. The shop employee can then scan that code to indicate that they are starting or completing that part. Detailed reports are also available to be exported and evaluated by leadership. You can view all of the parts of this on this screen or filter to scheduled, running, or completed. Simply select the job number to navigate directly into the job itself, where you can see the parts and activities. You can also print barcodes directly from the job view, as well as control those activities. So each of those parts, you could select them and hit start or completed from here. Simply select the activity icon to reveal details about the activity, duration, start, stop time. All right, so just a quick recap then. So under lamination in our example here, you're going to see a list of projects that need to have lamination completed. This first project, 3 of the parts are completed, 2 are not. Therefore, the activity status is in progress. Let's now take a quick look at the tablet or phone app that's available on the shop floor. The resource would select their workstation, which would show then the list of projects that need to be done, the same information that was on the previous screens that we were looking at. Just like on the main application, this parts tracking application would be on a tablet or something in the shop floor, strategically located to be easily accessible. The employee puts in their workstation PIN number and they select the job that they're starting. From here, they can hit start or complete or what have you. They can also, at the top right corner there, select which function they're doing in case they work multiple stations. They can also add themselves as a resource, so you have both the machine or the workstation and them as a resource, and logging the start stop for both at the same time. The employee can also filter to all, scheduled, running, completed to accomplish what they're trying to accomplish in their view. So as you can see, the parts tracking functionality within Stoneapp provides tremendous visibility to the leadership and production to make sure things stay on time. It provides a lot of analytics and reporting regarding activities and users and accomplishments there. And it also provides the employee with an easy to maintain process, especially using the tablet where it's simply a start and stop for the project they're working on. Please reach out if you are interested in learning more about Stoneapp parts tracking.